you graduated 06 in what, May or June? You guys finished classes, and then like,
in May. Yeah.
And then like, how much do you have to your name? Are your parents still funding you? How do you convince them to actually pay your rent? Or are you just, cause like at this point, it sounds like you're really just starting up with a couple friends. Is that accurate?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. I think that's right. That's right. So, I mean, I had a couple savings just from working in the summertime. Mm-hmm. So I had thoughts about going to law school. So I worked at a law firm for, a year in the summertime before that. So had a bit of savings. Wasn't really expensive. I wasn't living expensively. I was living in like a 1-bedroom with like 2 other people. So
you had like what, $20,000 or something saved, something like that.
Yeah, about like 15,000.
15, yeah. So you can stretch that if you live really cheaply.
Yeah, you can. And then I remember I had a bus pass. I like bought like a bus sticker off a current student at Berkley when I graduated.
Nice.
Did that to get around. So
very cool.
Yeah, it was interesting times.
So you were hustling. So okay. So you're starting one thing to the next. Did you ever have an idea that started kind of gaining traction or any revenue from any of these ideas? And because it sounds like you didn't go to law school for 4 years.
Yeah, I didn't go to law school for 4 years. So
yeah, so you were trying for a while. Like you kept at it. So tell me like the ups, any sort of exciting kind of trends in there. It sounds like you eventually joined a slightly larger startup, the airline.